what point does the equation indicate the line will pass through? Right? Okay. Well, let's look at your equation. Does that look anything like any of the equations of lines that we learned? We know y equals mx plus b is one of them, but do we know another? The point slope. Does that kind of look like a point slope form? Let's remember, what does our point slope equation look like? Something like that, right? So this equation looks like it's in point slope form. In fact, it is. What's the slope of this equation? Yeah, if we just line up the m here with this, negative 2/3. Remember, my x1 and my y1 are my coordinates of my point, right? So if I line this negative y1 up with a negative 3, what is my y1 actually going to be? A positive 3. Okay? So notice that these line up. What is my x1 going to be? A negative 1. Can everyone see why this x1 has got to be a negative 1? So another way to write x plus 1, let me bring this down. Okay, I'm recording this, so I'll try to put the video on the internet. So another way to rewrite this, y minus 3 is equal to negative 2/3 times an x. What's another way to write plus 1? Is subtracting a negative 1. Everyone okay with that? A minus 1 is the same thing as plus 1. Right? Okay? So now if I rewrite my y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. I'll write my equation, point slope there. You can see that the y1 has got to be 3. You match up your symbols. Y's and y's match up. Your minuses match up. Your y1 matches up with a 3. So y1 is equal to 3. Your m matches up there. Your x matches up. Then this first minus sign matches up here. And so then what is x1? It's the negative 1 that's left over. So x1 is equal to negative 1. So what's the point? What's the point that this indicates? Negative 1 comma 3. And this is your answer. That help you? Any questions?